I would like to discuss about the pair of straight lines. The theorem is show that the area of the triangle formed by the lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0, and the another line is lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is n square under root of h square minus ab by under root am square minus 2hlm plus bl square units. Here first we draw the triangle with the coordinates. It's a x-axis and this is the y-axis. Both are intersect at origin O. This is 0 comma 0. We know that ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is the combination of the pair of straight lines. Let L1x plus M1y equal to 0 is the one line equation, and L2x plus M2y equal to 0 is the second line equation. Here, lines formed by the lines, triangle is formed by the lines. So these two lines are passing through the origin. Take the line passing through the origin, it is the equation 1, and another line passing through the origin, it is equation 2. Okay, and these two lines are passing through the origin, and the third line is lx plus my plus n equal to 0, it is the third line. The given third line is lx plus my plus n equal to 0, it is the third line. Okay, here we know that ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to product of the pair of straight lines L1x plus M1y into L2x plus M2y. Okay. First we product and compare these two. L1x into L2x plus M2y plus M1y into distribution property L2x plus M2y. The first factor two terms, in that first term into second factor plus second term into second factor. Then again multiply the distribution law with the distribution L1 L2 x1 in x into x square L1 L2 x square plus L1 M2 xy plus M1 L2 yx, means it is also write it as xy L2 M1 xy plus M1 M2 y into y square M1 M2 y square. It is equal to L1 L2 of x square plus L1 M2 plus L2 M1 xy, taking common xy from the two terms, plus M1 M2 y square, which is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Comparing on both sides like coefficients. X square coefficient left side is a, the right side is L1 L2. 2h is equal to L1 M2 plus L2 M1. B equal to M1 M2. Okay, this is the equal to pair of straight lines, which is equal to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Next, here they are asking the area of the triangle, means solving of these two lines we get the origin. From solving of equation 1 and equation 2 we get the origin. Equation 1 and 3, that is a point, vertex points. Equation 2 and 3, that is the b point. Here it is a triangle, we find out this triangle area. L1x plus M1y is equal to 0, L2x plus M2y equal to 0. Here this is multiplying with L2, it is multiplying with L1. Then it becomes L1 L2 plus L2 M L1 L2 x plus L2 M1 y equal to 0, L1 L2 x plus L1 M2 y equal to 0. Subtract from one to another, it is 0. L2 M1 minus L1 M2 y term is equal to 0 minus 0, 0. Y equal to 0 by L2 M1 minus L1 M2. 0 by something is 0. Y equal to 0 substitute in equation 1. That is, this is the equation 1. L1x plus 0 equal to 0. Then x equal to 0 by L1. It is equal to 0. So equation 1 and 2 intersecting point is origin is equal to 0 comma 0. Okay, this is the elimination method. Using of cross multiplication method, we find out the a and b values. Solving equation 1 and 3. First equation is L1x plus M1y equal to 0. Third equation is Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. Here, this is x, it is y, it is constant. X means, see, this is the eliminate the x. What are the coefficients? It write it as 0 into n equal to 0. So, m1, m, 0, n coefficient is n is a constant. Then y means, this is the second step, 0 and n here is there. Here L1, L. Next, take the n terms, constant terms. L1, L is there. Here M1, M. By the cross multiplication, we get the point that is equal to A equal to cross multiply M1 N x by M1 N minus 0 equal to y by 0 minus L1 N constant by L1 M minus L M1. Equate the first and last terms, equate the second and last terms. So x equal to M1 N by L1 M minus L M1. Y equal to minus L1 N by L1 M minus L M1. This is a point. A equal to M1 N by L1 M minus L M1 minus L1 N by L1 M minus L M1. This is a point. In the same way, we find out the B. Again, equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Solve. Equation 2 is L2x plus M2y plus 0 into 1 equal to 0. Lx plus My plus n equal to 0. X term, then M2, M, constants are 0, n, y, elimination of y, 0, n is left side is there, right side is L2, L. The constant is L2, L is there, M2, M. The next by M1, M2, N, here M2, N minus 0, y by 0 minus L2n constant by L2m minus Lm2. Equate the first and last, second and last. X equal to m2n by L2m minus Lm2 y equal to minus L2n by L2m minus Lm2. Then this is the B point. What is the B point? B equal to m2n by L2m minus Lm2 minus L2n by L2m minus Lm2. Now take the triangle. Triangle area is here. OABC is a triangle. Here O is the origin. This area of triangle is half x1 y2 area of triangle is OAB, triangle OAB equal to half modulus of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. Here this is or x1 y1, it is x2 y2. Applying that 1 by 2 modulus of multiply of these two m1 m2 n square by L1m minus Lm1 into L2m minus Lm2 minus into minus plus here see L x1 y2. X1 y2 means it's wait a minute, it is wrong. This is x1, this is y2 minus m1 L2 n square. So minus y1 x2 minus into minus plus L1 m2 n square by L2 m minus Lm2 into L1 m minus Lm1. This is the value x1 y2 minus y1 x2. One is negative, one is positive. Here the denominator terms are same. Simplify the numerator. 1 by 2 modulus of n square is common. L1 m2 minus L2 m1 by L1 m minus Lm1 into L2 m minus Lm2. They are asking the question is n square into under root of h square minus ab by am square minus 2h lm plus bm square. We know that a minus b equal to or a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 4ab. Then it gets a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 4ab, that is equal to minus 2ab. Okay. By using this formula here, L1 m2 minus L2 m1 can write it as L1 m2 plus L2 m1 whole square minus 4 L1 m2 L2 m1. Okay. So substitute here. It is equal to 1 by 2 modulus n square under root of, here only a minus b whole square. If the square is eliminated, it turns into under root. Under root L1 M2 plus L2 M1 whole square minus 4 L1 M2 L2 M1 whole by product of these two L1 M L1 L2 M square minus L1 L M M2 minus L L2 M1 M plus L square M1 M2 modulus. That is by the distribution product of these two factors we get the four terms. Here see L1 L2 is A, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is 2H. It is equal to 1 by 2 modulus n square under root, this is 2h whole square minus 4 L1 L2 combination is A, M1 M2 combination is B by L1 L2 is A M square, here taking common Lm minus Lm is common. Next here M1 M2 is B, BL square. Here Lm is common, Lm is common. What is that? L1 M2 plus L2 M1. Okay. Now substitute. We know that L1 L2 is A, L1 M2 plus L2 M1 is 2H, M1 M2 is B. Okay. Substituted in that. And simplify 1 by 2 modulus of n square under root 2 square 4 means that right outside that becomes 2, 2n square under root of h square minus ab by am square minus what is this 2h, 2h lm plus bl square. This two cancel. So delta equal to modulus n square under root of h square minus ab by am square minus 2h plus bl square. This is the proof.